Hi everyone, welcome back to Deb's Designs. I'm Deb. Got a few things to talk about today. I just want to say first and foremost, thanks so much for subscribing, for joining and watching. It's great to have you guys along for the ride. Today I've decided that we will unbox and review a Dreamer Designs kit. So I hope you enjoy that. First of all, I just want to address that last time we did a review and unboxing of Home Craftology. So I have started that kit. So I just want to share with you how the rendering is looking. So I'll just lift it up here so you can see. So this is how far I've got so far. So across the top there. So I'm quite happy with the rendering of the picture. It looks very similar to if not identical to the original photo. I'm happy with it. As I said before, it's a square kit. The dots are squares. The only other square kit that I've done was a Diamond Art Club kit, and the dots were so close together that there was no gaps, and I really liked that, except for when I got to the end, because they were so tight, that I think I had to lose like 2 rows just so that everything would fit. And I don't know whether or not I had done it incorrectly to start with, because I sort of started from the bottom and did a few squares, because with that kit the plastic is already separated into squares, and so I did the bottom and then I sort of went around the edges, and then I did the top, and then I went back down again. And so this time what I've tried to do to make it easier and so that the diamonds look better and they fit better is that I've started from the top and I'm working my way down the kit, down the picture. One thing I will say about the Home Craftology diamonds is that they are not as tight, and that you can see a gap. I'm not sure if I like that. The thing I do like about it though is that, as I said before, with the Diamond Art Club, they're so tight that there's no sort of movement in there, and you can actually lose lines. Well, I did. I don't know if everybody else does, but I did. But this one, I don't think I'm going to lose lines, and so I like that. So I'm a bit torn between. So it'll be interesting to see what the end product is like. So next time I will give you an update of where I am with that one. It is a very confetti piece, so especially in the cross itself, confetti meaning that there are also lots of different colors and only a couple of dots, or maybe one dot here and there and there and there, so it's a lot of confetti work. I am enjoying it. As I said before, it is a gift for my dad, so for our Irish side, so I'm looking forward to presenting that to him when he comes back from the UK. What else did I want to say? Oh yes, I have been asked to be an admin for a new page. It's called Diamond Artaholic. It's a group, a new Facebook group, and it's for people that just want to chat, need advice, want to share their pictures. It's not for selling, not for buying, not for comparing, not sort of like this to review different kits and things like that, just to seek advice and just to share your work. So just a nice place to chat and make some new friends. No judgment on what kits you use, what kits you don't use, and all that sort of business. There are so many other pages on the Facebook with those things. So there are a lot of destashing. I'm part of a destashing group, DAC destashing. I'm part of a Dreamer Designs destashing. I'm part of just a general destashing group. There's ones from the UK that I've joined. So there's something for everybody. And so if you enjoy that content, well then I just ask that you come and join the page. So again, that's Diamond Artaholic. So Artaholic. Yeah. So once again, just want to say thank you for joining. Thank you to my subscribers. It's a bit exciting, just quietly, just knowing that you're out there and that you're interested and that you're enjoying the videos. So let's get on with it. Oh, I also wanted just to make a disclaimer. Last time I said that the piece of artwork that I was working on was from Temu. Actually, it wasn't from Temu. It was from a place called Uncle Bill's, and I think it cost about, $11 or $15, and I just wanted to show you. I'm just going to turn you around. Hopefully you can see that. See on the wall there. See what I mean? It looks, the wording is very difficult to read. You've got to go quite a far away from it to read it. It's probably backwards, isn't it, on my thing? So it just does go to show that the quality, what you pay for is what you get. And I wouldn't probably, no, I don't think I will. For the cheaper ones, I wouldn't buy any with wording. That's just my opinion, because it's just not clear. They look really good in theory, but in practice, no. And when you spend that much time and you're investing yourself in a piece of artwork, you want it to look good, and you want to, and for it to reflect what you've done. And when the picture isn't rendered correctly, it's a bit disheartening, just quietly. So the other thing I also wanted to share with you was, apart from being an admin on that new page, which is exciting, doing this, which is exciting, I found that I had a lot of Temu kits left over, like small ones, like 20 by 20s and things like that, that I'll never get around to doing. So what I did was I followed another lady's lead on the Facebook, and she shared that she was going to like an old folks home with her extra kits, and sharing and just getting them to, or helping them to do art, which I thought was really cool. So I was talking about that with my mum, and she suggested taking them to a school, and so that's what I did. So I contacted my daughter's primary school, and the principal was very excited. So I think I started last Monday, beginning of term, and I've got, I think 11 now. I've got 11 children in the senior class, so 11 and 12-year-olds, that are doing diamond arting, and they are very excited about it. And I just thought, you know what, it's really cool. So I've donated the kits and donated my time, which is fine. I mean, they were cheap as chips anyway. And I just thought, you know, it's giving the kids another opportunity to do some sort of different artwork at school, but also to have like a relaxing time, which we all know that diamond art does, and a calming thing. And also, if they do enjoy it, then maybe that'll keep them off their screens, off their phones and things like that. And so that was really cool, and we've enjoyed that. So I've just ordered them all bigger ones to do. And so if you guys have got any time or any spare kits or anything like that, that might be a good idea just to donate them, even if you can't do them, you know, to go and teach the kids yourselves, or whatever that might look like where you are from, that maybe you could donate the kits to the schools close to you, and that it'll give the kids something to do, and rather than just like taking up all the space in our things. So anyway, let's get on with it. Okay, so this is the first time I've ever opened a Dreamer Designs, so I'm excited. So it came obviously in a big box, not like this. I'm just grabbing the scissors. So I'm just going to take the plastic off there and hopefully not cut my hand, because that'd be a bit embarrassing on there. So here we go. Here we are. So it's got the plastic wrap on it. Hope everybody's having a good day today. All right. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, that didn't work as well as I'd hoped, but I'll get there, don't you worry. Okay. Okay, so this one, I'll show you the picture. This one's called, it's in my, you know, remember I said last time, I've got a bit of an Alice in Wonderland psychosis going on. I don't know why I have, and I don't know where it came from. But I tell you, all things Alice in Wonderland have just gripped me. And once again, I have to admit that I am an artaholic. Yeah. Okay, so this is the picture. She's very cute. It's a different sort of a rendering, and I like it. I like it a lot. So if you look at this box, it's pretty cool. It's got a handle on it. We all like to get a handle on things, don't we? Now, I'm going to open this box. So stay with me, friends. So it's a nice quality box, that's for sure. Let's see what have we got. So I'm just going to go like this. Oh! Nothing in there. Okay, again, it's in a nice... one of those. Did something fall out? No, it didn't. Okay, so obviously Dreamer Designs there. Very nice. Sorry for rambling a little bit, isn't it? Oh, the back of the fabric on the fabric on the kit. Oh, so soft. Oh wow, that's really, really nice. Okay, once again, it's got this ribbon thing on it, which is neat. I'm going to have a collection of ribbons. We all like collections of things. Oh my goodness. This is ginormous. Okay, let's look at that in a second. Oh, calm down, Deb. Don't get too excited. Okay then. Okay. I'm just going to have to take a step back, because this, my friends, is massive. Look at her. I did not realise. I did not realise that she was this big. Where it's going to go when I'm finished, I have no idea. But that's a problem for another day. So, as you can see, she's very big. And let me have a look at her. Wow, she's gorgeous. Okay. So I'm just going to roll it the other way like we do. So we can get it a little bit clearer, a little bit nice and flat. A little bit nicer and flatter, I should say. So there she is again. Hopefully that's a good look at that. She's gorgeous, eh? Look. Beautiful, beautiful. She is beautiful. So I'm just going to put her on the floor like that. And then, so what we've got in the kit is, we've got an little instruction pamphlet-y thing here, which is nice with all sorts of bits and bobs and, oh, a 15% off your next purchase. Any savings, a good saving. Okay, oh, great. In the Diamond Art Club one that I did before, it came with something like this. So I really enjoyed this. It's got the sticker, it's got your little sticker thing here. So you've got a picture. I don't know if that's a sticker. Yes, it is. It's a sticker as well. So you can stick that on the end of the box if you wanted to rebox it. Or you can put it in a diary or whatever you might want to keep that in. And then you've also got your chart. So with all your different codes, those are little stickers as well. So what I like to do is, once I finish my other kits and I have emptied all my dots out, my extra dots from this one, I like to put these stickers on top of these little containers, and it just makes this a lot easier. And so that's what I do. And so I just put that back. So that's that, which is very neat. I'm going to open this very nice. It's very nice, very soft. I like soft things. I don't know about you, but I like soft things. Probably too much information. Anyway, here we go. Very nice. Let's have a look. I haven't, as I said, oh, let's have a look. Let's have a look. What have we got? Oh, careful. Oh, what did I just drop? Something. Okay, so it's a nice, very nice tray. It's a nice big tray. They've given us two X's. It's nice. 2 X's. A box, a thing of little plastic bags, little baggies, which is neat. Can you put in the comments what that's for? Because I don't know. I don't know what that's for. I don't know. It's something. I've got, oh, they've given 2 pens. 2 pens. With 2 different, with one of those ones and a multi-dotting thingy. What's it? Some nice decent tweezers, which we all like. The metal ones that are nice and sharp, so you've got to be careful. And then you've got, oh, that's cool, isn't it? There's neat Dreamer designs on there. Very nice. So we've got the tray, which is nice. So it's got this little thing at the end to protect, so the dots don't fall out. Good to know. This thing that goes on the pen. I don't use those pens, but it was a nice thought. Oh, it's got a different sort of a pen too. Look, it's got, sorry, missed that altogether, didn't I? So you got this pen and you got this pen. Oh, cool, that's neat. So that's 2 things of wax, tweezers, baggies. This thing, once again, please write in the comments what that is. It's probably very, very obvious what it is, but not to me. Now, so I'm going to put that over there. Just going to show you the quality of some of the drills, because there are, oh, that wasn't a good idea there, was it? Hold on just a second. There are an awful lot. An awful lot. But they look very nice. I'm going to open this little bag box here like this. I'll turn that down and move it down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Sorry. As I said, it's all new to me. Okay, let's have a look. I'm going to get that out of here. Okay, so they're all numbered as you, obviously, as we like. All the dots in there, they look like good quality dots. And yes, those are squares. So that's good. So I've got 2 lots because that is a big piece of artwork. Right, so what was I going to say? I was going to say something to you and I forgot what it was. So, right, so that's the Dreamer Designs one. Obviously, I ordered that and I think I got that within 10 days. So that was from, wherever that's from. I ordered, I think their website's in America, and it came very quickly to New Zealand, which is great. I liked it. It was packed very well. Obviously, the website's very easy to use. They have got a lot of variety on their website. I think it's your first order is buy one, get 50% off. The second one, I think. I think that's correct. I think that's what I got anyway. And it was free shipping if you spend over a certain amount of money, which is great. And you know, saving money is always what we like to do, because then we can spend it on other diamond art somewhere else, can't we? So yeah, so that's that. I've given you an update on the Home Craftology one. I've shown you the new Dreamer Designs one. So the next time you see that Dreamer Designs kit, I'll be partially through it, or if not through it. So once again, I just want to say a big thank you for joining me on this journey. It makes it so much more fun when you're going along with other people. Please feel free to comment and to share your views or what you're doing, share your works in progress, and to put up your artwork if you'd like to. I'd really like to see it. So yeah, once again, thanks so much for watching, and next time you see me, I don't think it's going to be another delivery, because I'm on a stop spending thing at the moment. But watch this space, who knows what's going to happen. Yeah, so the next time you see me, I will be doing another review unboxing on another company. I've ordered some from, who did I order some from? Cool Buy, I think it's called. I've also got to do a Diamond Art Club unboxing, and I've bought from another couple of places just on off Facebook groups, or Facebook ones. And also I wanted to do a Temu one, that I've got a really large one, just to do a review on that one. So just to recap, Dreamer Designs, beautifully packaged, easy to order, good to deal with, very nice kit, and can't say anything about it, anything against it at the moment. It looks lovely, and I'm looking forward to doing that piece of art. So once again, thanks for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.